Hey guys, welcome. In this video we'll take a look at Gimkit's new What Is mode, and I'll be making some recommendations and descriptions of things along the way. The music you hear in the background is the music for this game.
It's like a Jeopardy. What's that dumb game called? Kahoot. Jeopardy Kahoot mixture. I'll just pick one. And because you'll answer the same question.
This game is very much like Kahoot, and because of its slow pace, I'm not a super fan of it. I like playing games that are a lot quicker.
You got to answer the question quicker than that, man.
Come on and play, man. Make yourself more intelligent.
You haven't learned this yet, but you could probably figure it out.
Where is it?
Seven, 4, 3, 8, 3, 8, 5. 7, 4, 3, 8, 5. Oh, only half of you got it right. That's enough. Don't get it wrong. 500. There's like a final question. Do we ask one more question?
So if you win, you get everyone's back.
I don't think so.
That should be what it is.
Just missing one bet, one wager.
Okay. Hurry up. Oh no. Oh, easy.
Easy.
I didn't even look at it. What did they say?
I did that anyway.
I'm so cool.
I only answered one question.
Why did you say it was 0? Oh, you guys all got it wrong. The 0.